In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Twitter likes private. So if you have been on Twitter, you'll notice, okay, lots of people like certain videos. And if you go to any given video, you can see who has liked it. So you can see a long list of everybody that's liked the video. But say if you've liked a video and you don't want other people to know that you've liked it, is that possible? That's the question. So if I go into, say I search and just go to Nate Silver's profile here, I can go over, across from tweets and replies, media, and likes. I can go over there and see every tweet that Nate Silver has liked. And at the very top, it says 977 likes. So I can see everybody that he's liked. And unfortunately, Twitter has built it in that all tweets, comments, and likes are public to the entire Twitter sphere if they're a public tweet. So if somebody posts a public tweet and you like it, theoretically, everybody that's on Twitter can see that. The best way to hide and make your Twitter likes private that I would recommend is to create a dummy Twitter account. So you can have your main Twitter account, you can have your main profile, but you can also just create sort of, a fake browsing Twitter account. So that's what I would recommend. It's pretty easy to just make another account. You can make an account that doesn't necessarily have identifying information to it. And then you can use that to like as many tweets as you want, but they won't know that it's actually you. So that's it. That's how you get around it and make your Twitter likes private. You just use a fake dummy account. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to like this video. Thanks.